Page number, this is page number 11 of your class 3 book. This is page number 11 of your class 3 book. You can open this page. This is page number 11 of class 3 book.
Sir, this page is done.
This page is done. Shall we move?
Yes.
Okay, shall we move to the next page now? Have we done this one? This one also done?
Not done.
Okay.
Yes, we have done. Sir, this page is not done.
Okay. Now go to page number 17. All of you, go to page number 17. All
Yes,
of you.
sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, that 12 page is not done.
This page is not done. We have done this page. Okay, let us do it again. Given below are some non-living things. The name of one of their parts matches the name of one part of the body part of a human being. Write them in the space given below. Okay. What do we say? Do we say tooth of a comb? Do we say tooth of a comb?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so this matches with tooth, right? This matches
sir.
with tooth. Now, if you can see, let me increase the page size a little bit more. I think it will be clear to all of you now. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
can you see this one? This is tooth.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Do we say hands of a clock? Do we say hands of a
Yes,
clock?
sir.
Okay, so can we write here hands? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do we say arms of a chair? Do we say arms of a chair?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so can we write here arms?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do we say legs of a table?
Yes, sir. Legs.
So can we write here legs?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have done this one. Okay. Now, this will be your project work. Write down all of you. This is your project work. Activity time is your project work.
Sir, 3 project.
Yes, this is your science project. This is your science project. Okay, the activity time will be the project work. This is your science project. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Now, let us do this one. Page number 17. All of you go to page number 17. Let us start page number 17. Okay. What are the difference between plants and animals? Can you
project করব?
page number 17 project? You need to do the project. You need to do the project, all of you. The project must not exceed 2 pages. The project must not exceed 2 pages. Is that clear? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, what are the difference between plants and animals? Can you tell me the difference between plants and animals? Can animal make its
Yes,
own
I
food?
know.
Okay, Rigdas, tell me.
Plants can, animals can move, but plants cannot move. This is the difference between
Okay, so
plants.
number 1 will be all animals can move. All animals can, all of you write down,
Can
all
move.
animals can move. Plants can't. All animals can move, plants can't. Can you give me another difference? Does animal make its own food? Does animal make its own food? No. Can plants
No, sir.
make its own food? Make its own food?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So most plants, I am writing here, most plants make its own food. Most plants make its own food. Animals can't. Plant make its own food. Animals can't. Okay, how does a butterfly breathe? Can you tell me how does a butterfly breathe?
Sir, I know. Sir, I know.
Okay. Tell me, Biplav Das, how can a butterfly? Yes, tell me.
The butterfly breathes in
The butterfly breathe in through spiracles. Okay. Write down the butterfly breathes in.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, that one number that animals. Then what is this?
Animals can move, plants can't. Okay, Shomendra Narayan Das, you rotate
sir.
your camera, turn on the auto rotate option. Rotate your camera, rotate your mobile. Yes, rotate your mobile like this and turn on the auto rotate option. Rotate your mobile first. Rotate your mobile in this. See, this is my mobile. No, that
Yes,
is
sir.
no, not that one. See, you can see my mobile. I am rotating my mobile. Can you see that? This is my mobile. I am rotating
sir.
my mobile. Can you see that? Now when I am rotating my mobile, drag from the top. There is a auto rotate option somewhere here. Click that and your camera will get rotated. Gopal Tambuli, you also do that. Biplab Das, you also do that. Rotate your mobile, turn the auto rotate option on. Yes, this is how you rotate. That is good. Now turn the auto rotate option on. Turn the auto rotate on. Yes, Gopal Tambuli, you have done it right way. You can also do that, Shomendra Nath. Rupa Bhattacharya, turn on your camera. Rupa Bhattacharya, I cannot say yes. Rotate the camera, turn on the auto rotate option on. Turn the auto rotate option on. Auto rotate option on. That will be on the top of your mobile. Auto rotate option will be in the top of your mobile. Okay. Okay, anyways, those who can't, we won't waste our time. Yes, Rupa Bhattacharya, you have done that nicely. Gopal Tambuli, your audio is off, so if you are saying me anything, I cannot hear you. Okay, now. Okay. Yes, it's good now. No, okay, I'll show you someday. Tell your parents to do that, they can do it easily. Okay. Now, let us continue with our class. Name the 5 senses. Okay, butterfly breathes in through holes. They breathe in through holes. These holes are known as spiracles. 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 They breathe through holes. These holes are known as spiracles. Okay. Can you name the 5 sense organs? Can you name the 5 sense organs?
Sir. I
Okay.
know.
Oh, Rupa Bhattacharya, don't say the answer without asking me.
Brain, heart, lung, and stomach.
No, that's the wrong answer. Can you? No, don't tell the answer. I will ask. Okay, who can tell the answer? Pick up your
I
hand.
can say, sir. I can
Okay.
say.
Okay, I will ask Dipankar Sarkar. Dipankar Sarkar, can you say the answer? Can you say the answer? Dipankar Sarkar, can you say the answer? 5 sense organs. Can you say the answer? Yes. So, eyes, write down. Eyes, ears, nose. Write down eyes, ears, nose, tongue. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Write down eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Write down eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Okay, can you tell me how do plants produce young plants? Who can tell me the answer? How do plants produce young plants? Who can tell me the answer? How do plants produce young plants?
Through their seeds.
Okay. Plants produce young plants through seeds. Okay. Write down. Plants reproduce through seeds. Plants reproduce through seeds. Now, how do animals depend on plants? Can you tell me anyone? How do animals depend on plants? Can you tell me any one of you? Yeah.
That plants reproduce from seeds.
Yes, plants reproduce through seeds or from seeds. That is also true. Don't speak in Bengali. Gopal Tambuli, don't speak in Bengali. Okay, Biplab Das, Biplav Das, tell me the answer of number 6. How do plants depend on animals?
Number 3.
Yes.
Plant
Yes, how do plants depend on animals? Tell me. Gopal Tambuli, turn on your video. How do plants depend on animals? Tell me. Tell me, how do plants depend on animals? Okay. Okay. See, plants need carbon dioxide. Plants need carbon dioxide, which is exhaled. Plants need carbon dioxide which is exhaled by animals. Plants need carbon dioxide which is exhaled by animals.
oxide banan.
CARB on carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Wait for some time. Hello. হ্যাঁ কে? ও ম্যাম আমি ক্লাস নিচ্ছি, পরে কথা বলছি।
oxide
বলো।
স্যার।
হ্যাঁ
চুপ করছে চিটনার স্যার ফোন করছে।
প্রবলেম হতে পারে,
চুপ করো
আমি ঠিক জানি না।
স্যার ফোন করছে।
তাহলে আমি বলতে পারবো না ম্যাম, আমি ক্লাসটা নিয়ে নিই তারপরে কথা বলি। হ্যাঁ 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 ওকে। নাও all of you tell me, okay, now how do animals depend on plants?
স্যার
Yes,
স্যার that oxide banan OXIDE.
yes, oxide, spelling of oxide is OXIDE.
Which is that?
Huh?
Which is a quality
Which is
sir?
exhaled by animals.
EX
EXHALED, exhaled, EXHALED,
sir by plant.
EXHALED, which is exhaled by animals.
Okay sir.
Plants need carbon dioxide which is exhaled by animals. Okay, how do animals depend on plants? Can you tell me? How do
That plants give food.
Yes, plants give out oxygen and they produce food. I am marking star here, and they produce food which are required for animals, to survive, to survive. Is that clear? Plants give out oxygen and they produce food which are required for animals to survive. Is that clear?
Which are
Required for animals to survive. Yeah,
Sir,
which are required for animals to survive.
also record spelling
REQUIRED, required. REQUIRED, required.
R
REQUIRED, required. REQUIRED, required. IRED, required. REQUIRED, required. Is that clear?
from
Okay. Now
required for animals.
which are required for animals. Yes, now match the columns. Tell me which one will be the first one.
I know.
Yes, tell me.
One will be lay eggs.
Okay, first one will be
Lay eggs.
okay, lay eggs. Okay, the second one.
Second one is breed.
Yes, third one.
Third one is what happens.
Okay. Fourth one.
Get food from dead matter. Correct matter.
Yes, very good. Very good, all of you. Very good, all of you. So, today we have done the exercise of chapter 2. As we have finished fast the exercise of chapter 2, let me give you the exercise of the next part also. So, next we have done chapter 7, our body. Okay, we have completed chapter 7, our body. Let me give you exercise from our body. Let us do the exercise from our body. Just wait for some time. Let me create the exercise. All of you, just wait. It will take 5 minutes for me to create the exercise. Keep patience, all of you. I hope we will be able to complete this exercise also. Just wait, all of you. Okay, are all of you having any problem in this class, in audio or video? Is it clear?
No, sir.
Okay, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So we will be doing this class now on the exercise of chapter 7. Okay, now let us do this one. Okay, who is presenting the screen? Biplab Das, stop presenting the screen. Biplab Das, stop presenting the screen. Otherwise, I will remove you. Biplab Das, stop presenting the screen. Is that clear? Stop presenting the screen. Otherwise, I will remove you. No nuisance in my class will be allowed. You need to know one thing. No nuisance in my class is allowed. Okay. Let us get the next part. Okay, let us get this part done. We will do the exercise of chapter 7 now. Okay, this is chapter 7. Can all of you see yourselves? Okay, let us do this one. Okay, can you tell me what are joints?
Sir, joints are any type of bones of skeleton.
Joints are any type of
Bones of skeleton.
Okay, can you see my screen now? Who is making this noise? Okay, I am removing Biplab Das. I am removing Biplab Das. Wait, all of you. Wait, I am removing Biplab Das for his nuisance, number 1. And I am removing Biplab Das because he has started presenting without asking me. So I am removing Biplab Das. No nuisance in my class is allowed. First you need to know one thing. No nuisance in my class is allowed. Okay, we will move on to next question. We will do what are joints. Okay, tell me what are joints. Tell me what are joints.
Joints are any types of bones. Joints are any type of bones of skeleton, sir.
Joints are any type of.
Joints are any type of bones.
Joints are not any type. No, joints are not any type of bones. Joints are not any type of bones. Can anyone tell me what are joint?
I know, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Skeleton.
Wait.
In the skeleton system, where two bones meet.
Yes, that's the right answer. Joints are those places where two bones meet.
Places.
Yes. Yes. Joints are those places where two bones meet. All of you write down. Joints are those places where two bones meet. Joints are those places. Yes. Joints are those places where two bones meet. Joints are those places where two bones meet.
Meet.
Yes.
Meet.
Okay, what makes the bone move? What makes the bone move? What makes the bone move? Does anyone of you know the answer?
When muscles contract the fibers, pull the bones and make them move.
Yes, very good. When, that's a good answer. A very good answer by Rupa Bhattacharya. Okay. A very good answer by Rupa Bhattacharya. Okay. When the muscles, when the muscles contract or relax, when the muscles contract or relax, the bones move. When the muscles contract or relax, the bones move. Okay, what are the functions of blood? Can anyone tell me the functions of blood? Can anyone tell me the functions of blood?
Sir, muscles.
Yes.
Sir, muscles এর পরে কি লেখা আছে?
Tell me again. I cannot hear you.
Sir, muscles next. What is?
What are snakes?
Muscles next.
Okay, muscles contract or relax. When muscles, MUSCA, this is not E, okay, this is CLES, MUSCLES. When muscles contract or relax, the bones move. When muscles contract or relax, the bones move. What are the functions? Can Babita Pramanik tell me what are the functions of blood? Can you tell me what are the functions of blood? No, I am asking Babita Pramanik. Babita Pramanik, can you hear me? Babita Pramanik, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me? Okay, can you tell me what are the functions of blood? Can you tell me the functions of blood? Can you tell me the function? No.
I can tell, sir.
Okay, Rupa Bhattacharya. Okay, Rupa Bhattacharya. Tell the functions of blood.
The function of blood is to go to each part of the body
Yes.
through blood vessels.
No. See, the function of blood. Write down the function. That's not the right answer. The right answer is blood carries oxygen and nutrient. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to different part, I am giving a triangle here. I am writing it from this triangle. I am giving a triangle here. I am writing it from this triangle. Blood carries oxygen and nutrient to different parts of our body and brings back
Sir, the nutrient spelling?
Nutrient, nutrient spelling nutrient, and brings back carbon dioxide to the heart. Blood carries oxygen and nutrient to different parts of our body and brings back carbon dioxide to the heart. Is that clear?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, write down the answer fast. Write down the,
Sir, different পড়াটা কি আছে?
if you need to ask me anything, ask me in English. If you need to ask me anything, yeah.
Sir, there is
Parts of our body and brings back carbon dioxide to the heart. Parts of our body and brings back carbon dioxide to the earth. Babita Pramanik, have you written this one?
Sir, my done.
Babita Pramanik, have you written this one? Babita Pramanik, have you written this one? Have you written this one?
Sir, my done. Sir, I'm not done. Sir, done.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, rest of you, name the main organs that make up the respiratory system. Can you name the organs that make up the respiratory system?
To the heart.
Nose, windpipe, and lungs. Write down
Sir,
nose.
I know. Nose, windpipe, and lungs.
Yes, nose, windpipe, and lungs. Okay, okay. What are the organs of the digestive system? Can you tell me the organs of the digestive system? Can you tell me the organs of the digestive system? Who can?
What, sir? Again, sir?
Organs of the digestive system. Who can tell me the organs of the digestive system?
I can tell.
Yes, tell me. Tell me.
Stomach.
Tell me the organs.
Stomach.
Okay, and
Sir, stomach.
not only stomach, mouth,
Mouth,
food pipe,
food pipe, and
And?
stomach. Stomach.
stomach, mouth, food pipe, and stomach. Okay, what are the major organs of the excretory system? Can you tell me the major organs of the excretory system?
What's up?
Major organs of the excretory system. Gopal Tambuli, can you tell me the answer?
Sir, I know. I
No,
know.
no, wait. Gopal Tambuli, can you tell me the answer?
Sir, I know. No.
Huh?
Sir, I know.
Okay, Rigdas, tell me.
Two kidneys, lungs, and the skin.
Yes, two kidneys, lungs, and skin. This is the main parts. Okay. What do you mean by reproductive system? What do you mean by reproductive system? Write down the system that helps us to produce offspring, or you can write babies. You can write offspring or you can write babies. Okay, the system that helps us to produce offspring or babies. Okay. What are sense organs? Can you tell me what are sense organs? Can you tell me what are sense organs?
Sir, produce next.
Produce offspring or babies?
Huh?
Offspring.
Sir, I know what are sense organ.
Huh? Which one?
What are sense organ?
Okay. What are sense organ? Tell me what are sense organ?
Human beings and animals use the sense organ.
Yes.
Know about the sense organ.
Okay. So what are sense organs? Tell me again what are sense organs?
Human beings and animal uses their sense organ to know about the sense organs them.
No, no. Sense organs, write down. Sense organs help us to experience the surrounding, and if I tell about the function, the eyes help us to see, the ears help us to listen. Yes, tell me. The nose help us to smell, the skin
Help us to
experience the surrounding. Okay.
experience spelling.
EXPERIENCE, experience. EXPERIENCE, experience. EXPERIENCE. Done. Okay. Now, if they ask you about the functions, eye help us to see, ear help us to listen. Okay, ear help us to listen. Right. Nose help us to smell. Right. And skin help us to feel. skin help us to feel, and tongue help us to taste. Is that clear? Eye, ear, nose, skin, tongue. Eye help us to see, ear help us to listen, nose help us to smell, skin help us to feel, tongue help us to taste. Is that clear, all of you?
Experience the surrounding.
Experience the surrounding. Experience the surrounding. Experience the surrounding. Tell me, Rigdas. Heart. Yeah, we have done this one. We have done part 2 in class. We have done part 2 in class.
Sir, I did not done it.
Okay, this one is your homework. Number 3 is your homework. You need to submit this homework the next day. This is your homework for 23, 4, 21. This is your homework. You need to submit the homework next day. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All of you. Okay. All of you. We have finished our. Yes. Tell me. Yeah, Babita Pramanik. I cannot understand. Wait. All of you. All of you turn off your mic. Let me hear to Babita Pramanik. Okay. Tell me. Which one I cannot understand? Tell me again. I cannot. Okay, all of you turn off your mic. Okay, all of you turn off your mic. I'm muting all of you. I will only listen to Babita Pramanik now. I am turning off all of you. Okay, Babita, tell me. What are you telling?
বলছি আপনার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বারটা একটু বলুন না
হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বার হ্যাঁ আমি তো গ্রুপে দিয়ে দিয়েছি একটু দেখুন কাইন্ডলি
ও ঠিক আছে
okay acha Bobby okay now let me tell your names give me the attendance okay I will ask your names number 1 Odrich Pramanik okay present next one is Lohitasya Nandi
yes sir
okay present Deepjoy Sarkar okay Tridha Bhattacharya okay present Dishita Sarkar absent Saurabh Narayan Das
yes sir
okay present Rupam Paul absent Anushka Roy absent Rick Nag absent Samrat Sheikh absent Srijani Tambuli present Sanjana Pramanik absent okay what is your name Rick Das
sir my name is
Lohitasya Nandi okay so I have taken the attendance the class is over for today
sir
yes tell me
sir you see that the 57 page upper portion that you write
57 page upper portion yeah
yes sir 1 minute sir
okay write this down fast okay rest of you can leave the class now bye all of you
bye sir
Tata.
bye sir
okay tata bye
okay
okay all of you can leave the class
bye sir
okay bye
like is
yes which one are you writing
sir that listen knows that
which one tell me I cannot understand
sir that 2 number that 8 number
8 number sense organs help us to experience the surrounding eye see car listen nose smell skin feel tongue taste is that clear
SMELL sir 1 minute
okay SMELL smell this is skin 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 FWL feel TONGUE tongue TAST taste is that clear tongue taste eye see ear listen nose smell skin feel tongue taste got that
okay sir
okay bye
sir
okay it was nice doing class with you tata
Bye bye.